Hi guys, everyone. Today I am JCYZ Gaming and today I will be playing the Battle Pass. And today I started off really terribly because I tried fighting the Kong Fu Awaken stage and I died terribly. Tried the Craze Tank, died terribly again, and oh, speed cap. Fuck that. Anyways, I'm not gonna be doing anything. But today I want to try out using my new Ghost Koi Cat, which is very useful for games. Yeah. Okay, so I switched to my newest deck and we are going to go to the challenge to play a little bit of to test it out, obviously. I got my special ability over here and this is the Ghost Koi Cat. It looks pretty weird. I wonder if I can keep the stage just using Ghost Koi Cats. Nah, shut up, guys. Anyway, let's continue. Taking one up the script, spiral, so I think that could be good. They did play a lot of research though. So, oh my god, that would be a first leg. Most likely. Come on, Cat Cannon, charge faster. Okay, I got it ready. Oh, here we go. So, right now, this is level, so I'm gonna come behind. This is like it. Also, one day, I am going to try to defeat a stage. I'm going to try to defeat this stage, the challenge level, by just using cats. Yes, like the most spammable cat in the game. That's what cats can mean. The game's lagging because there's so many cats. This version is pretty good, I guess. I can't really tell if my game is moving so slowly. Oh, I heard that it's Freeform has a weird name, but has this kind of it. I think its name is Kiss and Koi, if I'm not wrong. So look at how slow the red head is. The red head is moving. So yeah. This is going to be a pretty fun battle. I can already see it happening. I'm dying terribly. And I can't do anything else. Oh, the music changed. Bye-bye. Okay. Here comes the most powerful enemy. Everyone into it. So I'm just gonna turn on the region. So yeah, this is I might be trying to get some of these cats to. I saw that in the right from the Maddie okay, I can't play anymore. Okay. My God. This is how you build a region of the most powerful cats ever created. I'm looking for my Bahamas. I'm taking forever to load. Destroy the base. Destroy the base. Okay, finally the challenge battle is done. That's not bad. That's a 514 million score. What's wrong with me today? Right? And then with my showcase of the Rose Koi Cat, which looks pretty cool. And yeah. So right now I'm trying to get some awesome looking things. As you can see, I have quite a lot of cats to evolve. Yeah. This is a normal koi cat. This is how the attack when it gets knocked back, it looks like that. Just wait for it to attack. And 3, 2, 1, attack. Attack. Oh, okay. And the ghost koi cat, you saw how he attacks, right? He's not that fast, but yeah. And his first aid becomes like bent and twisted there. And yeah, so this is all my rare cats that I have. Some of the special cats. I'm just missing some of them. I'm missing like 3 of the little cats from the little cat event. This is one of my favorite cats, the Kung Fu cat, which evolves. Wait, you can obviously know is based off a pretty famous person. Anyways, I have never tried to fight this. I'm gonna try to fight Passion Man. Yeah, Passion Man. This is my 3rd slot. And yeah, and I can't tell whether this is a really good deck or a really terrible deck, but let's try it out once I have enough energy, which I will do in the next video. So right now, let me check my Galatoto. Oh yeah, I just sent them out. Derp. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to cats, which is kind of the festival right now. I'm gonna go to revival.com, cat. Oh wait, my capsules. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's the Dark Heroes. Going on, which I do not have enough to go for. Have enough cat food to go for it, unfortunately. Oh, I go to the spot and Treasure Festival. I want to get a pretty good score in Japan, so I'm gonna waste practically the I'll do like after this. I'll do one more battle and the video will end. And this time I just want to try out using. Never mind. I'll just wait till that dies. And it's most expensive, as you can see. The Ghost Koi Cat costs 820. And at the same time, it can test out the Beef Cat, which is the Tiny Cat Evolution. Let's see how much damage it does. Okay, let me calculate that. It's plus 8. That's 10. Calculation. about 498 damage. Cool. Now, I seriously want this thing to activate the boss. Okay, so, I want this thing to die, like, really badly. You are going to die, you piece of shit. And there's nothing you can do about it. Except for me sending it close home. Oh my god, a leaf fell. Oh wow. That's not good. Okay. Now I will really want to test this thing out. Whoa! Anyways, we have a ghost koi cat on me. By the way, my koi cat and ghost koi cat is only level 12, so how's that possible? Oh shit, I should have sent in that many. Sentence. Okay, I don't know how much damage it will exactly do, but basically it's pretty strong. Yep, and it's gonna die. It definitely does more than 154 damage. This is your top notch. Here, 6,792 points and XP. And yeah, I think I should end the video like pretty soon. Let's see if we got anything to upgrade in my special class. Nope. I do have something I can upgrade, I guess, cat gang. I'll just upgrade the cat gang. Leaf cat little. Then I don't think I can upgrade anything else. Oh wait, I can. Let me upgrade my little UFO cat. And I don't have enough to upgrade my little whale cat. Just barely missing it. Anyway, I'm pushing my user rank like to 800. 9 more upgrades because I can get a rare ticket, and I really hope I can get 9 upgrades before this awesome looking event is over. 16 hours. Okay, I'll never be able to do that. So, because the Dark Heroes is like pretty good. Especially Catman and White Rabbit. I heard those two are really good. So, I guess this is it today. This will be the end of the video. So, see you guys next time. Oh wait. Before that, I need you guys to tell me should I make a new video or something like that? Because if you do, give me 2 likes. Give me 2 likes and 5 views. And not only that, please subscribe if you want to, comment if you want to, and I want to try and make sure that a lot of people will not dislike this video. I'll be really sad. Really care about to me, this. And by the way, this is my first video, so I'll be signing off right now. Goodbye, guys.